Hello friends, good day to you all wherever you are across the world. I welcome you once again to this channel today. How to make money online is a question that is mostly asked by people all around the world. Everyone wants to make money online, but it's quite unfortunate that many people they fall into the trap of fraudulent and suspicious online investment. So many people they lose their hard-earned money due to the fact that they are seeking for a way to make money online. But in today's video, I'll be doing a review on Blackgold affiliates. That is how to make money online through Blackgold affiliate company. So this is a review on Blackgold affiliates. So this channel is created so that I can share with you how to make money online, and also to warn you of some fraudulent and online investment in order for you not to venture into such and fall into the trap. But before I go further into this video, once again I welcome you to Lasogeni Biztalk. This video is brought to you courtesy of this channel called Lasogeni Biztalk. So for that reason, if you are new on this channel, kindly subscribe and click on the notification bell for you to be continually aware or notified whenever I upload new video. Turn on the notification bell to all notification. All right, okay. Lasogeni Biztalk is all about financial education, so everything that I will be talking about on this channel is just for financial education, and you are expected to do your own due diligence research before you venture into any of the content discussed here. All right, so if you are new on this channel, once again I say you should subscribe and click on the notification bell. And if you have any question concerning this video or any of the content on Lasogeni Biztalk, you can contact me through my email address, my phone number, my WhatsApp number, and also don't forget to join our Telegram channel, as I will be making some frequent announcements on how to make money online for yourself. Alright, once again, what we are considering today is how to make money online, Blackgold affiliates, through Blackgold affiliates, Blackgold review. So without wasting much of our time, let's go to the platform. So this is the homepage of Blackgold affiliates. Homepage of Blackgold affiliates. So I will be reviewing this site and I will be giving you my recommendation at the end. So you need to watch this video to the very end for you to have the full information that is being discussed. All right. So now Blackgold affiliates is an innovative affiliate marketing platform. Affiliate marketing platform. All right, so what do they mean? What they mean by affiliate is that they serve as an intermediary between like a buyer and a seller, or they are like representative. All right, so that is what affiliates mean. And marketing platform, so that is they promote services and goods of a particular company, whereby they are paid for the services they are carried out. Okay, and what are the payment method? We accept USDT, ERC20, USDC, and USDT TRC20. So all these, they are stable coin. They are cryptocurrency, but they are stable coins. So I think the reason for this is for accepting excuse me, for accepting this type of payment is because of the volatility of cryptocurrency. Right now it's very, very volatile. It can fall in price and can also appreciate in price anyhow without a prior notice. Okay, meet our solution for you. It's not the best product that wins, but the product with the best marketing strategy. This is true, and it is absolutely true. So whenever you are going into market, you need to have a very good marketing strategy so that your goods and services will be publicly known, and so that it can attract investors for you to have enough profit to maximize your profit. Okay, so these are the features of Blackgold: secure system, any device, anytime, stable currency. So avoid the volatility issues of most cryptocurrency. As I said earlier, we only pay out in USDT. That is a very nice approach towards payments. Smart investment, dedicated support, and automated. So we are not a get rich quick scheme. not a get rich quick scheme. We pay out between 1.5% to 2%. I think this is pretty cool. This is pretty cool because there are many platforms out there that they will promise you heaven and earth, but at the end you get disappointed. They cut away millions of dollars of people's investment, of their investors fund. So we just need to be very, very careful whenever we are going into any online investment. Don't venture into any online investment because they are promising a very high return on investment. So I think between 1.5% to 2% is still achievable. It's pretty cool, and this is not over promising. Okay, dedicated support. We have a dedicated support channel. Automated, a cutting-edge system automates the distribution of profit based on how much sales was made per day. All right, so now about Blackgold affiliates. We are a group of affiliate marketing enthusiasts. We invest in strategic and targeted advertisement to promote affiliate products and earn up to 50% commission on each sale. So I believe from what they have earned on each sale is what they are distributing evenly among their investors, so that they too can make profit at the end of the day. All right, we pay out between 1.5% to 2% of your investment daily, because we cannot ascertain how much an advert campaign will convert, but we can be sure it always falls between the stated range. So I think they are trying to be on the safer side, which is welcome whenever it comes to online investments. You just need to be very, very safe, because people's money, people's fund, they have been entrusted on you, and you need to be very, very safe. You need to give them what you know you can make. You don't promise heaven and earth so that you can attract investors to your platform. Okay, these are the team, and behind any online investment, based on my own recommendation, do not ever go into any investment without a team. That is, the people's behind the team, the people's behind the company. So here are the people behind the company. We have Derek Miller, head of marketing, Jessica Campbell, Martin Cooper, Louis Lewis. So these are the team behind this company, and this is a very good idea. Now the BGA plans. With our flexible plans, you can start an investment in affiliate marketing with guaranteed results. So this company, they are not trading cryptocurrency, they are not trading forex or any of the things that can be traded, but they are just into affiliate marketing. They promote goods and services of a particular company, and they are paid for the work done. So when you investing with them, you have a share of the commission that they get paid based on your own investment packages. Okay, now these are the list of the investment packages that we have: 25, 50, 100 to 3.2k dollars. That is $3,200, and you are promised 1.5% to 2% daily, 1.5 to 2% daily for each and every of the investment plan. 1.5% to 2%, 1.5% to 2%. So you just go into any of them. So you just invest based on your financial strength. You invest based on your financial strength. So if you can afford $25, you go for it. If you can afford $50, or if you can afford $33,200, so that is what you should go for based on your own financial strength. So that is about the plans of the investment plan of Blackgold affiliates. Now, the get in touch. This is how you can get in touch with them. This is how you can contact them through the phone, this is their address, and this is their email. If you have any question, you can contact them through that. So also, I would like you to know that this is an online investment, and you need to go through the terms and conditions. So if the terms and conditions are palatable with you, then you can proceed with registering and with funding. Okay, so but you just need to know that you must be responsible for your action. And if after you have gone through this platform and you have done your research and you found it to be very, very meaningful to you, and you found it to be something that you can give a try, then I will be dropping in the description box of this video the registration link to get registered and start earning as soon as possible. Okay, so for that reason, I really appreciate you for watching this video. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, click on the notification bell, and share with your friends and family. Till the next video, have a wonderful day. I love you all. Bye for now.